Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, I am Sharnique, and today we're going to be juicing. So y'all showed my last juicing video so much love, and I figured let me run it back. So I'm going to be trying some new recipes today that I think you guys are going to love. So let's go ahead and get into it. So I'm starting out with some beet juice. Now, I've been wanting to try beet juice for a minute now, and I finally got my hands on it. Every time I feel like I try to go to the grocery store and find some, they never have it. So I went to a Whole Foods grocery store, and of course, girl, they had it. So first impression of it, because this is my first time actually buying beetroot. So my first impression of it was the freaking color. Girl, it stained my hands so bad. I feel like I was dyeing my hair again. Like, I was so amazed at the color of it. The smell of it was pretty interesting, but it didn't really have a bad smell. So for this juice, I'm adding in oranges, lemons, and ginger. I've seen a couple of recipes where people did add in like other fruits to kind of give it a better taste. I've had beet juice, like the raw kind, before, like out of the store, and it was not good. So I figured, like, I want to be able to make my own, and I want to add other things in it to make it taste a little better. So that's what I'm doing. I'm adding the oranges, the lemons, and I'm also going to add the ginger. Now, beet juice has so many amazing benefits. So just to name a few, it helps reduce blood pressure. It helps to improve your metabolism. It regulates digestive system. It helps improve liver function, boosts energy. It's a natural colon cleanser. And I've also seen some research where it's also good for hair and skin, especially for hair growth. So those are just a couple of key benefits of beetroots. So I'm just pretty much peeling and getting everything cut up. Now, I did mention this juicer in my last video. A lot of y'all did also recommend other juices to me. So when that time come, girl, I will upgrade. But for right now, I'm going to stick beside my NutriBullet because she gets the job done, and I love it so much. So, of course, I will link this down below for you girlies. This is a great starter juicer. Look at the color. It's so freaking pretty. It went from yellow to orange to red. And, oh, my gosh, that blend, that color is just chef kiss. It's beautiful. Hopefully it tastes good. I kind of want to taste it just to see how it tastes. That's good. And I think the oranges and the lemon made it really taste good. That's good. All right, one down. Let's finish. Okay, so moving on to the next juice, I am going to be doing a mango juice. I've been wanting to try this juice recipe as well for a minute now, so I finally got my hands on some mangoes. And for this juice, I'm going to be adding in some oranges, some lemon, and also some ginger. And before y'all start, no, I did not peel the outside of my mango. I should have peeled the outside, but girl, I did not feel like doing that. So yeah. But just to name some key benefits of mangoes and mango juice overall. So it helps boost your immune system. It supports heart health. It helps improve your digestive system. It also supports eye health, and it helps improve the hair and the skin. So I'm super excited to taste this juice. I only made a mason jar full, so I think that'll be good. I did have some mangoes left, but I'm gonna save it for the end of the week so I can make some for next week. But yeah, right here I'm just cleaning out my juicer because as y'all can see, it was so freaking full, and the color from the beet already got into the mango juice. So I'm like, okay, let me clean it out. It's full to the capacity, and we need to make sure it's clear and clean out so I can be able to finish juicing the rest of my juices. So that's what I'm doing. Okay, so moving on to one of my all-time favorite juices ever, and it's carrot juice. I'm finna put y'all on, okay? So first of all, I love carrots by itself anyway, and juicing it for me was like top tier, okay? Like, this is an easy way for me to get in my carrot nutrients and stuff like that because I don't want to always eat it all the time. So juicing it for me is way easier. And y'all, carrot juice, oh my gosh, I haven't had carrot juice in so freaking long. So I finally got my hands on some carrots, and let me give y'all some key benefits because it has so many benefits, but let me just name a few for y'all. So for starters, it helps reduce weight loss, it helps improve muscle development, it boosts energy, helps reduce cancer risk, give you glowing skin, baby. It's good for the skin. And for my mummies, it enriches your breast milk. Also a good liver function booster. And girl, no more bloating. Like, carrot juice helps with bloating and aka of course weight loss. And I like to add oranges, ginger, and lemon in mine, but you can really juice carrots by itself and it's still going to give that nice, good flavor. But I'm adding all the extra stuff in it just to kind of give a little bit more, you know, nutrients and stuff like that. And oh my gosh, the color of it is just so pretty. It tastes amazing. So try this recipe out and let me know what y'all think. This is like one of my top favorite. This probably tastes number one if I'm being honest. And yes, it's just so good. And I had to make a full mason jar of this because, girl, what? Duh. So yeah, I highly recommend y'all give carrot juice a try. And last but not least is my celery juice. I did mention this juice in my last juicing video, so y'all know I like to go in and add the lemon, the green apples, and the ginger, or you can do it by itself to get the full benefits from it. And yeah, I list the key benefits also on the screen for y'all. Alright, so I'm all done, and since today is alright, so I'm all done juicing. So I just made 5, since you know it's 5 days of the week. The only thing I had left was some mangoes and some celery and some limes. So I'm gonna just finish all that at the end of the week. But this is enough for the week. So since it's Monday, y'all already know I gotta drink one today. So I'm really leaning towards the Beet one since this is the new one, the newest one that I've never done before. So let's do the Beet one. And I'm gonna put the rest of these in the freezer. Y'all already know what I'm gonna say. Cheers to good health and wealth. Alright y'all, so that is it for today's juicing video. This is crazy. I like I have red lipstick on, but I hope y'all have a good day. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I love y'all. I will see y'all in my next video.